Are you looking for the best Ancheer treadmill? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Ancheer Folding Treadmill, 2019 model. This Ancheer Folding Treadmill is the best treadmill valued for the money. This model is often listed with an unbeatable price of under $300. Speeds on this machine range from 0.5 to 6 miles per hour. A weight capacity or 220 pounds makes this Ancheer an excellent selection for the average person. With a 1.5 HP motor, this model is ideal for walking, jogging, and the manufacturer states it is even well suited for running, which is hard to come by with the motor size it carries. When unfolded and set up in your home, the dimensions are 50.39 by 23.62 by 46.45 inches. When folded and stored away, the dimensions are 50.39 by 23.58 by 9.45 inches. This 2019 model was made in the United States with an LCD screen designed to be easy to read and easy to use. The vibrant LCD screen includes display modes such as elapsed time, distance, calorie burned, speed, and pulse. Grip pulse sensors were placed in the handlebars to track and measure your heart rate accurately. This design was meant for compact stowaway, and many users note it could easily fold up and fit under their beds. An excellent treadmill for everyday use, you really can't beat the price of this Ancheer. In terms of hills and mountain climbing, unfortunately, this treadmill does not offer any incline features. We recommend this model to those who are looking to sweat, save a few bucks, and who don't require the option to climb. Number 2. Ancheer Folding Treadmill, 2020 model. This Ancheer Folding Treadmill, 2020 model, is the best treadmill built for safety. This Ancheer was designed with safety in mind as it has a 5-layer running belt that is 16 inches wide, and it comes with excellent shock absorption to protect the user's joints, back, and ankles. Pulse grip handles are provided for a more accurate reading of the consumer's heart rate. The speed range on this model is 0.5 to 6 miles per hour, and the motor is extremely quiet, providing consumers and their nearby family members with a peaceful experience. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds, this model can suit the average person with additional room for weights added to the workout routine. With a motor size of 1.5 HP, this product can be used for walking, jogging, and even running. There are 12 preset training programs that come with this treadmill, giving buyers many options to be challenged from light to extreme workouts. An LCD screen was designed into the model to make reading the displayed stats easier. Stats displayed include time, speed, pulse, distance, and calories burned. The unfolded dimensions are 50.39 by 23.62 by 46.45. There weren't any dimensions listed on the website for this machine when folded. The incline isn't an option available with this model, so if you are looking to climb mountains, this won't be possible. We recommend adding weights to your workout for a greater challenge. Reviewers raved about this model's ability to last years without issues. Number 3. Ancheer Folding Treadmill, 2.25 HP. This Ancheer Folding Treadmill, 2.25 HP, is the best smart app compatible treadmill. Buyers looking for some direction who want a treadmill compatible with the iFitShow Sports app will love this option. This app brings so much fun to any exercise routine and is compatible with both Android and iOS. The app offers you a selection of coaches who will push you towards the goals you wish to achieve. The speed range on this treadmill is 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour, and the motor size is 2.25 HP, which makes this model an excellent selection for runners and walkers alike. There is a manual 3-level incline that will offer you hill climbing challenges, and the maximum weight-bearing capacity is 265 pounds. There are 12 preset workout programs that come already installed. A tablet holder and 2 cup holders are placed on either side of the LED display screen. All the tools necessary are included with this purchase, and you will have everything you need to start assembling right away. Buyers loved how easy it was to set up, and some buyers claim it took them no more than 30 minutes to complete. The dimensions when folded are 55.1 by 25.6 by 20.9 inches, and the dimensions unfolded is 59.1 by 45.7 by 26.0 inches. This model also folds neatly and can be stowed away easily. Number 4. Ancheer Fold-Up Treadmill, 1.5 HP. This Ancheer Fold-Up Treadmill is the best shockproof treadmill. This model has a world-class comprehensive shockproof system with innovative cushioning designed for your comfort and protection. Built with a high-density lawn texture, each step will be absorbed naturally. The speed range on this model is between 0.5 to 6 miles per hour, and the motor size is 1.5 HP, making this machine ideal for walking, yet this one can be used for even jogging and running. The maximum weight capacity on this treadmill is 220 pounds. There is a fixed manual incline available through the website, does not list the levels. 12 preset training programs are built into this machine, giving you light to heavy challenges for your workout routine. A safety key is placed below the console for your protection and can be used if you lose balance and need to bring the machine to an immediate stop. Built-in speakers will allow the user to listen to music while they exercise. If the running belt becomes stuck, there is an adjustable knob on the side of the deck to help realign the belt. Additionally, heart rate sensors are found in the handlebars, giving the consumer an accurate read of their pulse. Reviewers love how easy it is to assemble this treadmill, and they also loved its stylish design. This model folds away neatly. The unfolded dimensions are 50.39 by 23.62 by 45.45 inches.